Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this love wanting thing that is going on between Fani-Kayode and the Igbo leader Nnamdi Kanu seems to be growing exponentially. No homo, these are veritable viral men of the two leading race in Nigeria, Yoruba and Igbo. So it's none of that, but it is a bromance that seems to be growing unabated. So with that guys, I bring you this. Fani-Kayode sends message to Nnamdi Kanu. So that's the headline. Fani-Kayode sends message to Nnamdi Kanu. So now let's see what Femi has to say to his bro. Fani-Kayode, a former aviation minister, has sent his best wishes to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, on the occasion of his birthday. In a message he sent via his official Twitter handle at RealFFK, Fani-Kayode prayed God to grant the IPOB leader more years of victory. He also prayed that God may shame Kanu's enemies and disarm his detractors. Fani-Kayode said, "Happy birthday to my dear brother at Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. May God grant you many more years of peace, joy, blessing, good health, prosperity, and victories. May he shame your enemies and disarm your detractors. May you continue to go from strength to strength and wax stronger in battle." So those are birthday wishes from Fani-Kayode to his younger brother Nnamdi Kanu, because of course Fani-Kayode is a lot older, I imagine, than Nnamdi Kanu. I imagine that there must be at least a decade between those two men, because of course Fani-Kayode is a man well into his 50s, and I imagine that Nnamdi Kanu will be in his early to mid 40s. So clearly a decade between them, but still a friendship that continues to evolve and evolve. So happy birthday to Nnamdi Kanu, the Igbo leader, and may he continue to work stronger, as our Femi just said. So we continue to wish him well, and continue to wish him well, especially in his struggle, because his struggle is our struggle, which is a collective struggle against the tyranny that we face as a people in the hands of these cabals and these cattle rearers that we have now found ourselves subject to by some form of osmosis. So conversations in the comment section, birthday wishes to the Igbo leader Nnamdi Kanu is what this video is all about. But before you come have that conversation with me, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray, bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video, then come say happy birthday to Nnamdi in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.